Hi folks, my name's Matt and I want to introduce you to Flowjo. This is a super simple CRM system. It's been specially designed for small businesses and now adapted for travel managers. Flowjo allows you to build workflows for your clients, and a workflow can be as simple as a form that your client fills in, like a client inquiry, or it could be something internal that you use to track the progress of where your client's up to. And we can have advanced automations like sending emails, adding clients to marketing groups, depending on what type of client it is and so on. The great thing is you can make modifications to these workflows and totally customize it to suit your business. And there's no programming experience or advanced knowledge needed. It's just drag and drop, very simple for you to adapt to your business over time. So let's dive in and have a look. So this is Flowjo, and I'm going to start with a quick orientation and show you around where all the modules are, and then we'll delve into each of them in later videos. So if we have a look at the menu on the left-hand side, we're already on the dashboard, and the dashboard is just a quick overview where you run your business from, and you can check on your tasks, and the task can actually drive what you've got to do for the day. With a task, you can jump into it and do work on it and then jump out, or you can just tick it off. And then you've got a summary of the tasks here. You can see how many are completed. A little more to the left, we've got recent documents, and that's where you can jump into the actual workflows that you've been working on for your clients. And down the bottom, we've got a context section, and that lets you search. And you can search in a number of ways. You can do first name, surname, email, mobile, initials, and then you can find your client and work on the documents for that client from that point as well. Next one on the menu is contacts, and contacts will take you in if you're doing more marketing related work. So you can group your contacts into different groups, and you can see when you click on a group, it will take you into it. And we'll have a look at some options later, but pretty much this is where you can export, you can integrate your contacts with Campaign Monitor, and you can also do things like instant emails and stuff like that. Your documents screen, and as I said, this represents the workflows. So we've got one here for travel inquiry, and that's the one where your client will fill in the document. It gets sent out to them automatically. We'll have a look at that. And then we've got another one called Trip Tracker, and the Trip Tracker is where you're actually using it internally to manage that process, that workflow for your clients. We've also got a Kanban board, and if you've used Trello before, you'll know how Kanban works. You can move clients through the different stages. The good thing about this Kanban is it's automatic, so that when you're working on a client file, it will move the column for you. So you can come in here to get an overview of what's going on in the business. And if you do need to manually move stuff around, you can do it from here. And the last one is the tasks. That just gives you a full screen where you can work on your tasks. There's an administrative menu as well, where we can look at sent emails and email templates, and there's some other administrative functions in there. So that's a very quick overview. And then in the next videos, we'll go into each of those different modules and have a look in a bit more detail.